Hello guys, for today's video ay bibili kami ng pizza sa Alberto's. This is 5th episode today.
A few inches later.
So andito na kami guys, may kainan dyan sa kabar. Ito yung Alberto's guys. Pasok na kami sa loob. So silip muna tayo saglit dito guys. Meron ditong billiard. Diyan, yan yung billiard. May naglalaro dyan mga mga kalalakihan guys. Tapos dyan guys, may kainan dyan na masarap daw yung So malamig dito guys, presko yung hangin.
Meanwhile,
So tapos na po kami kumain guys, pauwi na kami sa bahay. Grabe, nabusog din ako guys konti.
nice.
So see you dun sa bahay. So andito na kami sa bahay guys, at that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at i-hit on notification bell for the next vlog. See you guys for the next video.